Hi, I'm Michael from Offroad Images. Want to hear the latest? We've bought another cruiser. It's an absolute classic old 60 series. We found it in Kalgoorlie with its bonnet up, needing attention. I have to tell you, I've always been a fan of the 60 series.
Oh, how sweet! Oh, rust might be a bit of an issue.
But this one, it just caught my eye. She's a base model with barn doors. It's sandy taupe in colour, but the best thing is, it has a 6.2 litre Chev V8 diesel under the hood. Now you might be familiar with our 79 series cruiser, which was built as a camera truck and has served us extremely well all over this great country of ours. It's known as the Mighty 79, so we should give the 60 a name. How about we call it the Sandy 60? But it's 35 years old and probably has a lot going on under the carpet and behind the trims. It also has a lot of moving parts that probably don't move like they used to. We better get busy and fix it up and make it the best that it's ever been. Now we have huge plans for the Sandy 60. Along with the Mighty 79 and the support vehicle, they'll be taking part in a massive trip across this great country of ours. From Cape Leeuwin in the west to Cape Morton on the east, via tracks of the Simpson Desert, Flinders Ranges and the High Country, just to name a few. We are extremely proud of our involvement in creating imagery for the four-wheel drive industry. But what's so special about this trip? A heap of people from the four-wheel drive industry will be helping transport this awesome old classic across Australia, much like a torch relay. Each driver will get to experience driving the Sandy 60 as it makes its way across the country. Now that's what I call teamwork. I see this as an opportunity of catching up with some old mates who have helped me over the years in some of my favourite locations across Australia. But I also see this as an opportunity to showcase some of the amazing faces behind the Australian four-wheel drive industry who have helped make four-wheel driving in Australia a wonderful experience for individuals, families and businesses alike. But first, remember, the Sandy 60, it's 35 years old and who knows where it's been and what problems await us. So join us on this adventure and follow the posts of the Sandy 60 as we fix up this old bus and tackle some of the amazing tracks on this epic adventure across Australia.
I suppose we'll take a grinder tour and see how it looks. I don't think it's going to be too bad, but you never know until you start unwrapping.
Our luck might have just run out.